Hey everybody, it's Baltazar here. So I recently started hearing about this new content on YouTube. Or I don't think it's new, I think it's been on for a while. And my dumbass has probably just been living under a rock this whole time. But it's called McGangbang or something like that. No, not McGangbang. Mukbang. There you go, mukbang. And well, I was looking at it and I was like, this is pretty interesting. Like, it's pretty incredible like how some people in the world just find watching other people eat entertaining. Like they like, I don't know if it's because of the sound. I'm guessing it's like AMSR or something like that. Like where they get the tingly feelings or whatever when they hear people eat. But like, why? Like at that point, like, I don't know. I was gonna say something, but anyways, I thought I would try out the content. I mean, like, hey, it can't be that hard to like eat in front of a camera and like smack your lips so like people hear you on screen. But yeah, God, I never noticed how like buck ass teeth. Anyways, okay, let's get on to this. I ordered a pizza. Let's see here. I kind of ate some of it already, so yeah, I can help myself. But I have like 3 slices, so let's get on with this. Okay. I have to eat this pizza. Oh. That might have been too big of a bite, you know? I think I bit off more than I could chew there. Oh God. Oh. I think I'm about to have a heart attack. Oh God. Don't ever, make sure when you always eat pizza, it's like, pro tip, when you're eating pizza, take smaller bites, because if you take a big bite like that, you might be seeing God. Oh, God. There's nothing like some good cocaine. I mean, Coke. Well, that does it for this, mukbang. This mukbang video. Yep, I'll see you guys in the next video. Toodles.